Alright, today, second to last 100,000 mile maintenance thing is transfer case fluid. 100,000 miles, haven't replaced it at all since factory. So, I bought some ATF Plus 4, a link in the description below where I got it. I think I got it from Sears online, so it's like maybe $40 for this 5 liters, so like 1.3 gallons. Same thing I used for my transmission, my automatic transmission, and I'm not going to use the whole thing for the transfer case. It's really simple. Drain plug, fill plug, kind of like a differential. So let's go ahead and knock it out. And we're first gonna start out with the 18mm. So get your 18mm out and your 3/8 socket. And I'll meet you under the Jeep. Alright, so we're going right under the Jeep here. And we're gonna need to take off this transfer case skid plate. So it comes out with 18mm, one way back there, and then one right here. Should be an 18mm. Break these loose and then take it off. So I'll catch you guys up when I take this thing off. So, what you're gonna need is a size 10 Allen key socket, or you can just do an Allen wrench. I wouldn't recommend, but whatever. Alright, so now we're just gonna get our drain pan, slide it under, and we're gonna start off by taking out the fill bolt, because if you can't take out the fill and you already drain your fluid, then you're kind of screwed. So, just a good practice tip. Let's see. Should be fairly easy. Get the breaker bar out of my way. Switch over to the ratchet. Okay. And you can, do not drop that into your pan. Alright. Now that's out. Go ahead and take out the drain. Okay. Hopefully there's some fluid in here. Oh, wow, that's Jesus Christ, dude. That was a lot. Let that drip. Let me get a rag so I can clean myself up. And we're also going to need to get a pump and your ATF. So go ahead and do that. It's going to be a little jank. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and replace that drain plug. Should be pretty much done draining anyways. That was down. Alright, that should be just fine. Don't need to torque these things down that much. Alright, so move this out of the way. Get my fluid nice and close. Now the pump I have kind of looks like this. This usually screws on to something, or your bottle, I mean, but the lid is too big, so just gonna have to set this in there like that. Stick this end inside my transfer case, like y'all, and if all goes according, there we go. Now we got some fluid pumping in there, and pretty much how you figure out, or how you know it is done filling, it'll start to flow out of this fill hole. So, oh shit. Alright, I'm just gonna stuff that way up in y'all. Alright, well, my straw thing is, it fell into the son of a bitch. Alright, so you see how it's just flowing out right there? That means it is done. Yeah, it's done. So stick this right there. Tie that down. That should be money. Check this one. Proper. Alright, now going to get some brake cleaner, clean all this off, clean up my mess, and then we're going to put the skid plate back on, go for a test drive. It was as easy as that. Money. So that is how you replace your transfer case fluid. I'm still dying from allergies. Claritin D needs to sponsor me like right now. And really quick, sorry the video was so short, but too easy for maintenance. The fluid that came out was really clean, so that's really good too. No metal shavings, no metal chunks. Good work. Transfer case is going to be around for a while. So like the video if you liked it. Comment below any tips or tricks for any other people watching this video that are looking at it as a tutorial. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this on my Jeep and other cars. And see you later. Peace.